If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to review a tempered glass screen protector for the Xiaomi Mi A2. Let's have a look at the packaging first. On the front they tell you 100% the original machine size. Okay, please allow me to small proud because like you depend on. I'm not even sure what that means. On the back, of course, made in China. Make sure you guys recycle it. 9H hardness, HD screen, fingerprint resistant, oleophobic coating. Let's go ahead and take out the screen protector from the packaging. Let's have a look at what we get inside. So we have this installation tools which look like alcohol swabs to me. 2 of those and 2 of the tempered glass screen protector we have over here. Alright, and what else? You have the installation instructions on the inside as well, so we'll keep this on the side. Let's go ahead and open the auxiliary tools which we got with this tempered glass screen protector. So you have your microfiber cloth, some stickers, dust absorber as they call it, and some alcohol pads for external use only. Don't try to get a high on this, please. So how do I apply the screen protector on my phones? What I do is I line up everything, place the screen protector on top of the screen. I haven't peeled off the layer which you need to peel off, the sticky part. It hasn't been peeled off yet. And then I'll use 2 pieces of masking tape, stick them over here, and then roll them over to the other side of the phone. All this while ensuring that the screen protector is lined up correctly. Alright, so I'll do that and be back. Alright YouTube, so I've applied my masking tape on the screen protector and on the underside of the phone as well. So here, this is what I was talking about, and as you can see, the camera lines up pretty good, the front camera. And using this method you can also go ahead and turn the screen on and we can test the edges and everything. So to my naked eyes everything looks good. Now what we're going to do next is we will go ahead and flip this guy over like this, and at this point you can go ahead and clean your screen and everything. And once you're done cleaning your screen and everything, you just go ahead and peel off this layer which you need to peel off, which they generally mark as 1 on most screen protectors, and then just leave it like so and just hope it works fine. We just gave it a wipe down with the alcohol swab. Now we're cleaning it with the microfiber cloth. Once we are done with that, we'll go ahead and use these glue stickers to pick up any dust particles which you might have left. And at this point our display should be clear of any fingerprints and dust particles. What we're going to do next is we'll just go ahead and remove this guy. Make sure you don't touch the inside of the screen protector. With this guy off, all we're going to do now is just go ahead and let it fall. Once that is done, we can go ahead and press down on the screen a little bit, remove this masking tape. We use masking tape because it won't leave any residue. You can use any tape which you want as long as you know it won't leave any residue on your phone or the screen protector. With the masking tape off, let's see how we did. So the front camera looks lined up pretty good, not so bad. Same goes for the flash over here, hoping this is the flash. And let's go ahead and turn the phone on, and I do see some rainbow effect. Let me go ahead and press it a little bit to see if this rainbow effect will go away or not. I tried my best to do away with the halo effect and the air bubbles which got trapped, this patch over here, but it's not going away. So There you can see you have the halo effect all around the phone. Again, this is how this screen protector from TopAce looks and how it ends up. So my recommendation is to not buy it, which is why I am leaving a link in the description so that you know which one to not buy. So that's it for this video, YouTube. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.